Hey, Kyle here with Maple Systems. Today we're going to take a look at our heavy-duty Intel 14th Gen i-Core industrial box PC, the IPC2360A. Let's take a look. The IPC2360A is powered by an Intel quad-core, deca core, or 20-core 14th Gen i-Core processor. And the 20-core processor supports vPro and system memory up to 64 gigabytes of RAM. It can easily integrate with third-party SCADA software like Aviva Edge, Somatic WinCC, Ignition, or FactoryTalk. It has a quad display, Ultra HD 4K resolution output. There are expansion options for RAID 0 and RAID 1. There are SSD storage options from 128 gigabytes to 2 terabytes. You can also purchase an optional GPIO expansion. You can get an optional Wi-Fi kit with Bluetooth 5.2 support. The IPC2360A has OS options for Windows 10, Windows 11 IoT Enterprise, Windows 11 Pro, and Linux, Ubuntu, desktop, or server. It has an extended operating temperature from -4 degrees to 122 degrees Fahrenheit or -20 degrees to 50 degrees Celsius. It's built with a titanium gray aluminum heatsink and black steel chassis, and a wall mount is included. Okay, let's take a look at what's in the box. When you first open the box, you will see the Maple Systems warranty. And then it also comes with some accessories in a Ziploc bag. In the Ziploc bag, you have the input power connector. There is also an optional GPIO connector. This is with the purchase of the expansion option. And then finally, there are some keys for your SSD storage. Let's remove the IPC2360A from the box. The IPC2360A is encased in foam and wrapped in anti-static plastic. Let's remove it from the plastic. And here it is. Okay, let's take a look at the I/O. On the front of the IPC2360A, starting over on the left side, you have the 9-36 VDC power input. Above that is the power button, which is a momentary push button. Then there are LED indicator lights. You have one 3.5mm line out, and then one 3.5mm mic in. And there are two 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, and if you purchase the 20-core processor, LAN 1 would be the vPro port. On the top, you have 6 wireless LAN antenna fixtures for the optional Wi-Fi kit. There are 4 DE9P serial COM ports, which are RS232, RS422, and RS485. There are 4 USB 3.2 host ports, 1 display port, an HDMI port. On the bottom, you can get optional expansion hardware for GPIO, which includes 2 more 3.2 USB ports and 2 more Ethernet ports. On the side, there are 2 SSD bays, which can be unlocked with the included set of keys and easily opened, and can be locked with the same set of keys. On the bottom, you can see where the included wall mount is installed. Also, right here is the part number and the build number, and you will need these when you reorder your box PC. Also, you have the option of purchasing an embedded Windows license or a non-embedded Windows license. As you can see, right here is an embedded Windows license, meaning the product key is activated for you at our facility before it leaves Maple Systems. So it is plug and play. You can also purchase a non-embedded Windows license, meaning it is not activated when you receive the PC, and you would just need to scratch off the code right here and complete the activation yourself. You also have the option of purchasing Linux OS instead of Windows. Okay, now I'm going to power on the IPC2360A. So I have a power supply going into the box PC. I also have a power supply going to one of our industrial monitors. This is one of our high brightness sunlight readable industrial monitors. It's the MON 1017APH-V2. So I'm going to power on both the units, and you'll see the box PC boot up, and you'll see the LED lights. The green light is turned on, and the monitor will also boot up. And you'll see the Maple Systems logo on the industrial monitor, the user welcome screen. And there it is. Well, that wraps up everything today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial box PCs, you can visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.